Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming iCloud has finished syncing. This prevents partial downloads. Open Finder on a Mac or iCloud. COM on a PC, then locate iCloud Drive folders you need. Connect and format your external drive. Choose apps/HFS Plus for Macs or XFAT for both Mac and PC. Once done, create a clear folder on the external drive named for this transfer. Now start downloading the live files rather than placeholders, so you have full copies to move. You should download files in prioritized batches, beginning with the largest or most important. In Finder, select and choose Download or use iCloud. COM's download option. On slow connections, smaller batches avoid errors. Once local copies are complete, drag them into the external drive folder and watch the copy progress to confirm bytes transferred. For reliability, use rsync in terminal or a verified copy tool. This preserves timestamps and permissions. Make sure file sizes match before deleting originals. Finish by verifying every transferred file, compare sizes and timestamps, or generate checksums to confirm integrity. Once satisfied, safely eject the external drive and retain a secondary backup for at least 30 days before cleaning iCloud. If you plan to free iCloud space, make sure copies open correctly on another device. If something goes wrong, reconnect and rerun rsync with the partial flag to resume. Check drive health with disk utility or chkdsk, and ensure your network is stable before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.